Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. Today we are starting lesson number 8.3 Sahayakaha, page number 25 of textbook. In this lesson you will learn singular instrumental forms of the words. That means Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. 8.3 Sahayakaha, that means instrumental forms. First segment. Saha Sudha Khandena Likhati. Aham Charanena Tadayami. Aham Chamasena Khadami. Sa Hastena Vadayati. Saha Sudha Khandena Likhati. That means he is writing with a piece of chalk. Sudha Khandah is a akaranta pullinga shabdah. Its instrumental form or tritiya vibhakti becomes Sudha Khandena. Sudha Khandena means with a piece of chalk. Aham Charanena Tadayami. That means I kick with my foot. Tadayami means kick. Charanena. Again Charanah is a pullinga shabdah and tritiya vibhakti becomes Charanena. So meaning becomes with foot. But here to understand better we will say with my foot. Aham chamasena khadami. I eat with a spoon. Again chamasah is a akaranta pullinga shabdah and tritiya vibhakti becomes chamasena. Chamasah means spoon. Chamasena means with a spoon. Sa hastena vadayati. She plays drum with her hand. In the picture it is shown that she is playing drum. Hastena means with her hand. Vadayati means plays. Kritihi. Shikshakah ekaikam shabdam vadati. Dantakurchah, charanah, marjakah, etc. इति शब्दानां योग्य रूपाणि छात्राः वदन्ति. यथा हस्तः हस्तेन. That means the teacher will say a word from the following list and students will respond by saying the instrumental singular form of that particular word. For example, teacher would say hastah and students respond by saying hastena. These all are akaranta pullinga shabdah. So you have to make instrumental singular forms of these words. Dantakurchah. Tritiya vibhakti becomes dantakurchena, meaning with a toothbrush. Dantakurchah means toothbrush. Charanah. Tritiya vibhakti charanena, meaning with a foot. Marjakah. Tritiya vibhakti or instrumental form becomes marjakena, means with an eraser. Dantah. Dantena means with a tooth. Dantah means tooth. Karanah. Tritiya vibhakti karanena, meaning with an ear. Syutah. Tritiya vibhakti syutena, meaning with a bag. Deepah. Tritiya vibhakti becomes deepena, meaning with a lamp. Sanganakah. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes sanganakena, meaning with a computer. Sanganakah means computer. Kalashah. Tritiya vibhakti kalashena, meaning with a pot. Talah. Tritiya vibhakti talena, meaning with a lock. खड्गः, खड्गेन, meaning with a sword. खड्गः means sword. बाणः, बाणेन, meaning with an arrow. बाणः means arrow. So these all are Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam form of word. Now second segment 8.3.2. सः यानेन गच्छति. अहं मुखेन वदामि. सा वस्त्रेण मार्जयति. मर्कटः व्यजनेन वीजयति. सः यानेन गच्छति. That means he goes by a vehicle. Yanam is a Napusakalinga Shabdah and Tritiya Vibhakti becomes Yanena, meaning by a vehicle. Aham mukhena vadami. I talk with my mouth. Mukham also is a Napusakalinga Shabdah. So Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam becomes mukhena, meaning with my mouth. Sa vastrena marjayati. She is cleaning with a cloth. Vastram also is a akaranta napusakalinga shabdah and its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes vastrena, meaning with a cloth. Vastram means cloth. Markatah vyajanena vijayati. The monkey fans or is fanning with a fan. Vyajanena, vyajanam means fan. Vyajanena means with a fan. Vijayati means is fanning. Kritihi, shikshakah shabdam vadati, netram, vahanam, jalam, vastram, etc. And iti shabdanam yogya rupani chhatraha vadanti. Yatha netram, netrena. Students have to make tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam of that particular word. In this kriti, all words given are akaranta napusaklinga shabdaha. And there tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam we have to make. Yatha netram netrena. Netram means eye and netrena means with an eye. Vahanam. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes vahanena, means with or by a vehicle. Jalam. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam jalena, means with water. Vastram. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam vastrena, meaning with a cloth. Yantram. Yantrena, meaning with a machine. Yantram means machine. Vyajanam. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam vyajanena, meaning with a fan. Vyajanam means fan. Pustakam. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam pustakena, meaning with a book. Bhandam. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes bhandena, meaning with a vessel. Bhandam means vessel. Shastram. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes shastrena, meaning with a weapon. Shastram means weapon. Now third segment of the lesson 8.3.3. सा मापिकया आलिखति. बालिका छुरिकया कर्तयति. माता वेल्लन्या रोटिकाः करोति. बालकः कूप्या दुग्धं पिबति. सा मापिकया आलिखति means she is drawing a line with a ruler. A line is not given but she is drawing a line. Mapikaya means with a ruler. Mapika is akaranta strilinga shabdah and mapika means ruler. Its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes mapikaya. Balika churikaya kartayati. The girl is cutting the fruit with a knife. Churikaya. Again, churika is a akaranta strilinga shabda and its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes churikaya, means with a knife. Mata vellanya rotikaha karoti. Vellani is a ikaranta strilinga shabda and meaning rolling pin, and vellanya is a tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam, meaning with a rolling pin. Balakah kupya dugdham pibati. Kupi also is a ikaranta strilinga shabda and its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes kupya. The child is drinking milk from a bottle. Kupya means from a bottle. Kritihi. Shikshakah shabdam vadati. Rotika, pustika, kapatika, anguli, punapurni, ankani, etc. And इति शब्दानां योग्यरूपाणि छात्राः वदन्ति. यथा शाटिका शाटिकया, नदी नद्या. शाटिका is akaranta strilinga shabda, so its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes shatikaya, and nadi is ikaranta strilinga shabda, its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes nadya. First, akaranta strilinga shabda and their singular instrumental forms, means tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam. Rotika rotikaya means with a chapati. Rotikaya is a tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam of rotika. Pustika means book. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes pustikaya, meaning with a book. Kapatika means cupboard. Its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes kapatikaya, meaning with a cupboard. Petika. Its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes petikaya, meaning with a box. Petika means box. Nalika. Nalika means a tube. Nalikaya is a tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam of nalika, meaning with or by a tube. Utpithika meaning table. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes utpithikaya, meaning with a table. Sharkara sugar. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes sharkaraya, meaning with sugar. Gulika. Gulika means a pill. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes gulikaya, means with a pill. Puttalika. Puttalika means a doll, and its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes puttalikaya, meaning with a doll. Kunchika means a key. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes kunchikaya, meaning with a key. Now, ikaranta strilinga shabdaha. Nadi nadya. So here marjani means broom or duster. Its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes marjanya. Half na and full ya. Marjanya, meaning with a broom or with a duster. Anguli. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes angulya, meaning with a finger. Anguli means finger. Punha purani means refill, and its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam punah puranya, meaning with a refill. Ankani means pencil. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes ankanya, meaning with a pencil. Kartari. Kartari means scissors, and its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes kartarya. See the spelling, kartarya, meaning with a scissors. Ghati. Ghati means a clock, and its tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam becomes ghatya, meaning with a clock. In this part, we have covered 3 segments with Kruti. If you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Link to the playlist of my previous videos is given in the description box. Also press the bell icon. Namo Namaha. पुनः मिलामः। धन्यवादः।